Hey everyone, this is Steve from WebAiry. Today I am going to show you how you can change the remote desktop port on your VPS server. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your VPS. I'm already logged in. Secondly, you need to download the script. From our website, I will also mention this URL in the video description, and you can ask our support team for this URL. We created this script to ease the overall process, which is a little complicated, and you don't need any technical knowledge to change the RD port. So first of all, we will download this script. In the download folder, simply extract the files. And here is RD port change script. So double click on it and click run. Now it will ask for the custom port range, which you can define. Here the default RDP port is 3389. So I'm going to change it like 49491. And the most important thing, you cannot go above 65535. So just make sure your port numbers must be under this range. So simply I typed 49491, click enter and then press enter. And here you go. You will be automatically disconnected from the VPS once the port has been changed. So now you have to re-log in using the port number. You can write port over here, :49491 and click connect. Now it will asking for the password. Simply copy paste. Make sure no space in the password. And now you are logged into your DPS. Again using a custom port. Just hit enter over here and it is gone. Just close this script. If you want to delete it, you can. So this is the overall process. Look how you can easily change your RDP port. You don't need to perform any complicated steps. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to ask your question in the comments section. Keep sharing. Thank you.